So today I'm going to be making a chocolate peppermint sauce for my coffee so that I can have a peppermint mocha. Now this is a super simple recipe. You only need, I've got 5 ingredients here. We're going to start with 1.5 cups of water. I'm just going to put it right in my pan. 1.5 cups of sugar. I used 1 cup of regular sugar and then 1/2 cup of my vanilla sugar. Which if you don't know what that is, you can find, I'll put a link up here to the video if you want to see that. And then 3/4 cup of cocoa. I use organic. And I'm going to stir these ingredients together. And I'm going to add vanilla and peppermint after. So let's go and boil this. We're just going to bring this to a boil. Okay, we are boiling now, so I am going to actually turn it right down. And I'm just gonna let that simmer just for a minute. Okay, it's cooled a little, and now we're gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of peppermint extract, and then 1 tablespoon-ish, measure with your heart, of vanilla. Okay, and now I'm gonna pour my syrup into these containers. I have 3 of them, but I'm just gonna do 1 for now. I'm gonna froth up my milk. I pre-warmed this. Now it's time to put it all together. So I'm going to put a couple of good tablespoons. I don't think I'm going to measure. It's going to be a good amount. I'm going to just stir that in. And then I may have made a little too much milk. I guess I'm going to be scooping this in here. Oh yeah, that's gonna be an amazing treat for this morning. Yay! Oh, this is delicious. If you got something out of this video, please give it a thumbs up and maybe subscribe to the channel. If you liked this video, you'll probably really like the one where I made vanilla sauce so we could have vanilla coffee. It's so delicious. I'm gonna link that video right here for you, and I'll meet you there. Bye for now.